Hello, my friends. Guess what day it is? MXM day. Let's open it up. Okay, first up, our little postcards, our recipe cards. Preview of some images from the stamping plates. Contain the Zoomies. Our Furever Friends Mani by Me collection is dedicated to fur babies everywhere. So we have 2 plates, of course, in the full kit. We also have 2 early release polishes. There's Chonk, which is orange, and Tippy Taps, which is brown. And we'll do some swatches for that, and make sure you stick around until the end to see the swatches and different lighting. And I'll also talk about a nail art collab that you can join using this box or something similar. Okay, so here's our little recipe card, and we have a very nice simple manicure here. Whisker Woven Afternoon. They're cute, they're cuddly, they're our favorite feline friend. Yep, so here's the little instructions. This is maybe like the simplest one I've ever seen on here. It's really easy to do. Yeah, cool. Hey, speaking of, where's my instruction booklet? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I guess they're just like, well, it's Zenstamping. Of course she knows how to stamp. I don't know. All right, so we'll start off with this gift. This is our free gift that comes with both of the boxes. So if you have the express or the full kit, you will get this. And this is a palette for your polish, and it is really rubbery and stretchy. Let's see, does acetone bother it? Looks okay. Cool, so yeah, I guess it's just made of silicone or something, and so it's safe to put acetone on. Very cute, very cool. The last time they gave us a palette, it was this rose quartz crystal, and I still like using this, but this is neat too. Very different kinds of palettes, right? Also got, I think this is my favorite sticker, the Snailed It one. Here's our plates. We have a dog plate and a cat plate. MXM 127, MXM 128. So the doggies and the kitties, they are similar. So you can see we have the fronts and the backs, crowded dogs, crowded cats, collar, toys, paws, and then I like these kitties right here. Those are kind of cool. Y'all know this, but I'm not really a dog or cat person. I'm a bird person. So, you know, I don't have cat or dog, but these are pretty cute. And I'm looking forward to making some silly little manicures with these. Here's our polish. Get it? Okay, so this is Chonk and Tippy Taps. I'm dead over these polish names, you guys. It's really funny. So I saw these on the like promo email, obviously, and I mean, it was a little predictable, I think, that we were gonna get an orange and a brown in this, even though I was kind of hoping we would get something maybe like an orange and a white, because we haven't got a white or sort of a cream color in a while, and we have so many browns. But on the email, I thought that the browns looked really similar to these. But now that I have it in person, this is very green leaning brown. So I swatched these browns here. We have, this is, sorry for my bad handwriting, it's really bad. But I have Cocoa, Annatto Clay, and Down the Chimney. So those, I mean, they're just not the same. So let me find another. So this would be the highly controversial pistachio color. And as you can see, that's not a match either. So this is a really unique color. Pretty strange, not gonna lie. It's a little unusual kind of green, kind of baby green, if you know what I mean. So this one's chalk, and I thought that this looked like Sunrise, Orange Dream, and Catnap. This came from another, the other MXM we had recently with the cats. And I think this is gonna be one of those that looks sort of similar in the bottle, but is not gonna look similar IRL. So let's swatch. Boy, that is I'm like, I'm trying to think of something nice to say. It's a brown. It's a brown. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I mean, it's so green. Okay, that's weird. We'll look at that in a minute. Let me bottle swatch this one. I'm really excited for the orange. I have really high hopes for this orange because all of the oranges we usually get are, I don't know. I mean, these are so brown, it's hardly even orange. Anyway, you know what I mean. The oranges are always tricky. Oh no, my bottle. No. Looks like I got a bad bottle. That's okay. It's like, yeah, sticky. I don't know. I don't know about that. It actually is pretty close to Sunrise. Sunrise is definitely more yellow, but all right, I'm gonna just swatch these on here. They're both like browns on the like extreme ends of brown. They're kind of vintagey. I don't know, like I said, I'm trying to kind of think of like, they're just not beautiful in my opinion. I mean, maybe in different contexts, but yeah. As of this moment, not my fave. I'm kind of surprised actually. All right, I'm gonna drop it, but let me see what these look like black and white as well. So I lined up some of the polish a little closer so you can see. I think it's fair to stop comparing the brown to anything. It's not like anything that I have anyway. And the orange, honestly, kind of similar to Orange Dream and Sunrise, a little bit of combo. Sunrise is actually pretty translucent. And Orange Dream is sort of in the middle. And that's chunk. All right, so. Whoa, they actually look the same over black. That looks pretty much the same. Wow, I'm really surprised by that. That's better. Okay, honestly, they look pretty good on white. I can't lie about that. They definitely look more natural, like kind of natural browns and oranges that an animal might have versus, you know, like an animal's not, or a mammal is never going to be this color. Okay, all right. I'm warming up a little bit. All right, let's go compare these in some different lighting, okay? Here is indoor natural lighting, only natural lighting. It is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. This is a very pure white indoor light. This is a mix of indoor warm and cool lighting. So overhead we have 2 light bulbs that are cool colored and 2 light bulbs that are warm. This is direct, full sun, outdoor lighting. Outdoor shade. So once again, this is the May MXM box, subscription box from Maniology. It is called Furever Friends. And here's everything you get with the full kit. We have 2 plates, our little squishy palette, 2 very interesting polishes, and your creativity. So I wanted to mention that on Instagram, I host a monthly MXM collab, and the theme of the collab is the same theme as the MXM of the month. This month, however, we're doing it a little bit different. The theme is pets, so it doesn't have to be limited to dogs or cats. You don't have to use the MXM plates. You can use any plates you have. They do not have to be from Maniology. And here is a slideshow of our last MXM nail stamping collab. These are all the beautiful nail art we had for last month. So if you're interested in getting in on that, just message me here, or even better, DM me on Instagram. My username is Zenstamping, same as this channel. Go ahead and give me some love over there, and give some love to all the people that join the collab every month. I hope to see you there. If you are not a subscriber to MXM and you want to be, you can use my discount code ZEN10 to save some money on that, and with your first order you get some freebies like a little stamper and a scraper, and you can also use that code for anything else on their website. I do earn a little bit of commission when you buy things using that code, so if you use it, thank you so much. It really helps me to buy more nail stuff. Yay! So I'd really like to know what you think of the box this month, if you are going to get it, if you're going to skip it, if you think you're just going to buy the polish, or if you just want the plates. Let me know. Let me know what you think. And definitely leave a comment on your thoughts on these polishes. Let me know everything you thought, because I want to know it's not just me. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And until next month, bye.